Good morning students. Welcome to your English literature class. So as you know, you were getting PDFs of your online classes, the study materials. Now onwards, you will be getting your video on the particular chapter. So today's class is on the first part of a new chapter from your half yearly syllabus, that is My School Days. So turn to your page 54 of your butterfly book. Today's lesson will be page 54 and 55. Now, before starting the chapter, I will be writing the important points or important spellings or from where to where you have to mark. You will be opening your book while seeing the video and then you will start reading the chapter. Okay, so let's start with the first chapter or the first part of the chapter. One morning, I went to Baliganj Government High School with my maternal uncle. So, this story is first starting with the author speaking. So, who is the author? You will come to know at the end of the chapter. And the author is, let me tell you, is a very great personality. So, the class teacher gave me a few questions to answer and also a few sums to solve. So, one morning, the author went to Baliganj Government High School with his maternal uncle. The class teacher gave him some questions to solve. What was the question for? The question was for the admission test. Now first, mark the word maternal. First word is maternal. Maternal in Bengali, as we know, jeta amra boli mama. The class teacher gave me a few questions to answer and also a few sums to solve. I wrote the answers, solved the sums and showed them to the teacher. So what did the author do? The author solved the answers and gave it back to the teacher. He went through the answers and nodded. Mark the second word, nodded. Nodded. Nodded means nodding your head. Mane matha nada. So the teacher nodded his head. His gesture indicated. Mark the another two words, gesture and indicated. These are the another two words, gesture and indicated. So his gesture indicated that my answers were correct and thus I was admitted to the school. What does the line mean? The line means the teacher matha nadiye bollo je ha answers thik ache and he is allowed for the admission. Baliganj Government High School was on the eastern side of the Belkala Road police station. The southern part of the school was our playground. It was surrounded by a lofty wall. So what is the meaning of lofty? Mark the next word, lofty. Lofty mane onekta uchu, wallet height. When seen from above, the school looked like English letter T. The school, when looked from above, it was like English letter T. Mark this line. The vertical part of the T was the hall of the school. Now what is the vertical? Vertical is this portion. The vertical part is the hall of the school and the horizontal part of the letter was formed by the row of classrooms. The horizontal part is this one and this was formed by the rows of the classroom. So you will be marking the portion from the vertical part till classrooms. Mark the portion from the vertical till classrooms. Okay? Next, the annual prize distribution ceremony was held in this hall, which had a gallery as well. Underline the word gallery. Okay. So what is a gallery? Gallery is a place where audience sits. যেখানে দর্শকরা বসে সামনে স্টেজে পারফরম্যান্সটা দেখার জন্য। Feasts on occasion of Saraswati Puja were also arranged here. So feasts, underline the word feasts. What is the meaning of feasts? As we know, picnic in a easy way. I still remember the experience of watching a Shakespearean play. Underline the word Shakespearean. Or you can underline Shakespearean play also. Shakespearean play. That means the play which was written by Shakespeare, William Shakespeare, in this hall. Now the play was Merchant of Venice. Underline the word Merchant of Venice, the full portion, the Merchant of Venice. The Merchant of Venice. These are the important portions you will be marking in your book. Now the play was Merchant of Venice, a few scenes from which were performed by a couple of foreign actors called Greenberg and Sully. Underline the names Greenberg and Sully. Okay, so these are the names of the two foreign actors who acted in Merchant of Venice. A Charlie Chaplin movie was also screened here once. So underline a Charlie Chaplin movie. What are the things the author saw in that hall? First one, you will remember the occasions of Saraswati Puja. Next, you will see the Shakespearean play Merchant of Venice. Third, you will see a Charlie Chaplin movie which was screened in this hall. These are the things which was played in the hall and which was seen by the author. Now, up to here, up to screened here once is your first part of this chapter. Now, what you will do, you will be doing your homework. Now, what is your homework or what will be your homework? Activity 1 and activity 2. Activity 1 and activity 2 will be your homework. You will be reading the chapter very well to solve activity 1 and activity 2. Activity 1, activity 2. That is in page number 55. Okay, so activity 1 and activity 2 in page number 55 will be for your homework. Now, how you will be solving this too? You will have to read the chapter very carefully. You will be seeing all the important points that I have asked you to mark, all the important words that